Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Dan. All right, in this video, we're gonna be harvesting some potatoes, regular potatoes, that you guys saw I planted. I think maybe in December, November. What? This I don't remember. I gotta go back and look at my video because when I made the video, the same day I actually planted it. So, that's one. It's a good thing about you having YouTube too. You can use it as a, some of your videos as reference to go back to remember where you actually plant, when you actually plant certain things. So, but these are store-bought, potatoes that I bought like maybe, I think it's what, 2019, and I keep, I store them each year, like I planted the first year, harvest, then I keep some of the potatoes, let them go to seed, then do that the following year and I continue. So I bought those potatoes one time, 2019. We're in 2022 and I'm going to harvest again. And that's one of the things, just use some store-bought potatoes, seed potatoes that you bought from, some of these places are great as well. But if you only have, the store-bought potatoes, like organic potatoes, use them. They work for me, and I've seen numerous channels on YouTube that they actually work. All right, so we're gonna go harvest some of those potatoes today. Some are actually planted all around the food forest, and I completely forget where they are. Cause once that the freeze that we had in February, the top is died off, and I don't remember nowhere where I actually plant those. So maybe one day when I'm digging up the garden, I might figure out where they are. But have some in containers where we're going to go harvest today and see what surprises we have in that container. It's like you're digging for gold when you are harvesting root crops. All right, let's go harvest some store-bought potatoes. All right, let's go. And if you look here, see, I have some growing here. Okay, so, but these are not ready. It's still looking green on the top. I think I have some growing right here, and there's probably other places in the food forest, but I know I planted in numerous places, but let's go harvest the ones we have in the container. All right, so this is what I planted, everything in this taupe, so everything is died back, so this was the first year we had like a serious frost, so I normally plant my potatoes like, December, around that time, and harvest, late February going into March. But, I don't know what we're gonna get from this today due to the frost. I don't know if that's gonna affect them either. And I know a lot of times some people recommend not using the store-bought potatoes to try and, grow potatoes. But for me, it worked, and let's see if it works again. It's been working since 2019, it's been 2022, and I keep rotating, eat some, leave some for them to sprout, replant again. This is from 2019, in 2022, and I've been getting nice, decent harvest of potatoes. So let's check out what's in this container. All right, guys, so I'm going to be putting the potatoes in this container. All right, so let's see what we got. Always remember to wear your gloves in the garden, guys. Especially in Florida, there's so much spiders and all kind of stuff in the soil. All right, let's see. All right, let me give you a better view from the camera. Let's see. All right, let's dig for some gold. All right, let's see. Okay. Well, guys, we got something here showing already. Oh, wow. And I planted about 8 potatoes in this container. They were like different colors. So this one, let's see. It's a tiny one here. Guys, more. Oh, so this side looking good so far. more. Oh, they're looking good. Look like some perfectly grown. Love it. All right, let's see what's on this side. Nice. A little tiny one that has a hole. More. Let's see. The searches container really good. One more. Yeah, guys, so don't be scared to plant some of your store-bought, store-bought, potatoes in containers. It work, All right, let's see. Looking promising so far. Nice. Nice. Little tiny one here. More. It's good. Good. Looking good. Guys, more. More. Good, good. More. Some little tiny stuff here. All right, let's see what's on this side. More. Nice. This one got something got in this one and enjoyed it. A lot of tiny one. I don't know if the cold maybe affect what's going on here. Let's see. Some small one here. Oh, nice. More here. More here. Oh, nice. More here. There, let's see what's on this side. Smaller ones here. All right, guys, so that's the result of what we got. So actually, this was my compost. So that's what I use was to plant these potatoes in. So let me show you the result. So this is what we got. So I planted what, eight potatoes, and we got, not bad. This feels like about 6 pounds. Feel nice, good. Probably could get about two dinners, three dinners. But my family's not a big potato eater. My son loves mashed potatoes, so I'm gonna save some of the small ones for seed potatoes, that I could use next year again and do the same cycle again. Yep. So this is what it's looking like, and I'm happy. This is good to know I didn't spend. Let's see. I didn't spend no money at all to grow these. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. Plant eight potatoes in the container, and we got a pretty good, you know, 8 or maybe, I don't think it's more than 10 small little potatoes, and got a good amount here. This feels, I said, feels like about 5 pounds, 6 pounds. You know, 6 pounds of free food. Can't go wrong with that. You know, I'm very proud. Always proud of, you know, my results in the garden. I just want to share with you how simple it is. If you don't want to buy sweet potatoes, get some store-bought, plant them in a container, plant them in the ground. I still do have a bunch all around the food forest just to find where they are, because remember the cold snap came and damaged the whole top part of the greenery, so they kind of lost in the food forest right now. You know, and even this container, maybe the potato would have even got, you know, even more, but the cold snap came, you know, kill off all the top part of the foliage, you know. So I'm still happy. You know, the obstacles we had this year in the food forest is, you know, still had amazing results. You know, still like abundance of gratitude, and just thankful all the time, no matter how small it is. Just I'm so grateful. All right, so let's wrap this up. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to give you an update and share my journey, my gardening journey with you guys. You know, I appreciate everyone who always support the channel and leaving all the comments. My family is also very appreciative of all the support. So all be blessed with peace, love, happiness, and kindness. One love. See you in the next video.